This secluded property on Wishbone Way in a gated neighborhood rests on a massive 1.12-acre lot located in OLIVENHAIN of Encinitas. This is truly an estate, including a newly updated tennis court with gazebo viewing area and a welcoming circled driveway centered around an impressive coral tree.
This house was built in 1992, but its floor plan really resonates with today's modern buyer. It checks all the boxes. There's formal living space, there's an open concept floor plan, and 2 home offices.
A large kitchen with center island and views of the pool and expansive backyard. You'll notice how the outside light and foliage fills the views from every window in this home. There are a total of 5 bedrooms with 1 downstairs, including a large master suite with an adjacent gym room that opens up to a covered balcony to take in ocean breezes and lush views each morning. With nearly 5,000 square feet, 2911 Wishbone Way is an impressive estate ready for new owners to add their own style to an already ideal layout. There's even a hidden kids' loft built over the 3-car garage.
Framed by mature palm trees, this backyard is just begging for a party. There's a giant pool for guests to enjoy, a hot tub, and lots of space to gather.
The neighborhood of OLIVENHAIN is in the east side of Encinitas, next to Rancho Santa Fe and a quick drive to San Diego beaches. Come enjoy the privacy of this grand estate to enjoy the Southern California lifestyle in your own backyard. For a private showing, you can contact me, Kelly LeClaire, at 949-412-6551.